Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Keisha with Isaac K Creations, and I'm here to share with you a wonderful tool or notion that I purchased from Wawak. So when I first started sewing, I was extremely intimidated with measuring, right? So I wasn't sure about the lines on the ruler, and I just thought it was overwhelming. And I started to think back to when I was in grade school and I was being taught how to read a ruler, and those must have been classes I didn't pay any attention to, because now I really struggle sometimes in trying to read the ruler and see what the markings are, and I'm learning as I go along, and I do a little bit of converting and things like that. So I have a standard ruler like most people that sew do. They have different rulers that have the measurements on it and the different lines. And I have a tape measure that I use. I have a couple of other rulers I use that are more for quilting. And I also have a few yardsticks. So when I first started sewing, I really wasn't sure about the markings. So I found a nice tool online, thanks to Martika J Makes. I saw a picture in one of her videos of the giant inch is what it's called. And the giant inch is just a printout of the different markings on the ruler. So you have your markings and then the measurements under each marking. And I went ahead, found it online, printed it off, put it in a nice frame, and I keep it hanging up in my sewing room. However, whenever I'm sewing, I have to constantly go and look at the ruler sometimes until I become more comfortable with the different markings on the ruler. So I thought to myself, why don't measuring tapes actually have the markings on it? It may be just me not knowing that they actually exist. Maybe they do. But I was scrolling online one day on old Instagram, and Wawak. I love Wawak. They have excellent customer service, very, very quick delivery. And I found a measuring tape that has the markings on it. So I'm going to put this up here, and I hope it focus okay for you all. But this measuring tape has all of the markings on it already. So no longer do I have to use my measuring tape and figure out what lines are what they measure. But now I can use this nice measuring tape to know exactly what the line markings are on the measuring tape. So I thought that was really, really nice. I saw it and I immediately went to their website to order a few. So I ordered 3 of these. I have one that I keep in my purse. I have one at my cutting table, and I keep another one behind me where I do my sewing. So now I feel like I can gain even more confidence in sewing and doing my measurements and making sure that my measurements are more precise. Now I do have to still sometimes do a little bit of conversion of the actual fractions here, which is okay. I don't mind that. But the biggest thing is being able to tell and know exactly what your marking measures at. And I am confident that over time I won't need to have this kind of measuring tape, but for right now, as I still learn how to sew and I get comfortable with the measurements and the markings, I will be using my measuring tape here. So Wawak, again, they have really, really great customer service. I ordered this, I think, on the 13th, and I really think it came by like the 15th. It was like a 2-day arrival before I received it, which I think was really, really good. The cost for this was only 54 cents. So of course I said I purchased 3. So I paid a little over $5, $7 for it. And then Wawak also sent me their newest catalog. So I ordered from Wawak before, and they sent me a catalog with that order. The other order I did a couple orders with Wawak, and I got the first order I did with Wawak, they sent me this catalog. The second order I didn't get a catalog, but this order, which might be my 3rd with them, maybe even the 4th, I did get the newest catalog. So I'm going to take some time and go through it. I don't have any needs right now in terms of notions or anything like that based off my upcoming sewing plans, but I do like to have this as something to look at and kind of, you know, flag some pages and just be reminded of certain tools and notions I can purchase as I continue on my sewing journey. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here to show you guys that there is a great tool out there for those of you that really are intimidated when it comes to sewing and measuring. You don't have to be intimidated any longer. There is a nice tool out there for you to become more comfortable with your sewing. So I really encourage you all to go ahead and check out Wawak. And there may even be others out there on the market, but I had never seen one until Wawak sent something in their until Wawak posted something on their Instagram page about this product. So yeah, definitely if you're interested in just learning more about measuring and become confident in measuring, I really encourage you to go ahead and consider purchasing a few of these so you'll have them in your stash. So that's it for this video. Just wanted to come on and say hi, share this wonderful tool. I hope that you guys are doing well. And if this is your first time watching, thanks for watching. Check out the other videos on my channel. There will be more content coming in the future. For those of you who are returning, thanks for returning. And I am looking forward to chatting and bringing you more content again in the very near future. So I hope you all are having a blessed day. Until we come again together, see you later. Bye.